Aloha and half a day, you guys. This is Avian on week number 13. So just a recap of the whole entire week. So I was able to occupy myself into gaming. My best friend, he went out there to get me an extra remote control or that game controller for the PS4 station. And I was able to get into gaming with Tekken 7, Mortal Kombat 11, Injustice with all those Marvel characters, and even some racing games as well. So I was able to occupy myself this past week with those, playing for hours, and I just love winning. And this past week too, I was able to finish my synthesis paper, my 2 exams within the week, and I feel very accomplished and so relieved. Because everything online, I just feel that it's a little bit more overwhelming now that everything is like sent to you and you have to send those assignments back to your professor.
I'm in the middle of doing my exam, so it's a little bit different than how I normally have my exams, especially in class. So I just woke up, it's like 10 o'clock. Normally my class would start like at 9:30, but this exam will start from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Whatever or however, each student prefers on whatever time they want to take the exam. However, though, the exam, each part or each section, they will have it timed. So I'm currently on my last section of the exam and I have about 30 minutes. It's typing as of right now. You don't get to see your score until probably next week when the professor grades everyone's exams. So let me just show you how it looks like, and hopefully these answers don't apply for next semester so that you guys don't cheat.
Alright guys, I will be on my last section of this exam, so please wish me luck. I'm gonna go ahead and start my attempt. Start attempt. Okay, and I'll be right back. And another thing that happened this week was in society today, everyone has been conforming to the rules of the PPE, as in the physical protection equipment. So what I have been observing was a lot of the grocery stores here on Guam, they are requiring that everyone who enters the stores, they must have a mask on. It doesn't matter what kind of mask, it has to be, as long as you're protected, as long as you have something on your face. It doesn't matter if you have a shirt, if you have a bandana, if you have a surgical mask, or if you have I've seen ridiculous photos on Facebook about people going into the stores with a horse head mask, or some goggles from the beach, or the snorkeling goggles set. So yeah, that's kind of ridiculous, but any way to protect yourself, right? Man, they are requiring everyone to wear at least protective gear. Anything is fine because I don't have a surgical mask, but yeah, they're requiring everyone to use a protective gear before entering the store. And I've also occupied myself this past week with making your own do-it-yourself mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video as well, because some people, it's hard buying a mask nowadays because people are in panic. So I thought, hey, you know what, why not make your own mask at home? So if you students and non-students do not have a mask, a surgical proper mask lying around in your house, or you're not able to get one from the grocery store because they're all sold out because people are in panic mode right now, don't worry, I do have one hack for you guys today. And that only requires you to have 2 rubber bands and a piece of fabric, or for myself, a bandana, of course. So we're gonna be making a do-it-yourself or do-it-at-home face mask so that you guys could be safe at all times when you guys are entering an essential business as well. So I hope you guys are moved and enjoy this video. So all you're gonna need is a piece of fabric, or for myself a bandana, and 2 rubber bands. Let's get started. So we're just gonna fold the bandana in half like this, like so. Sorry, it's like I didn't have the time to iron it today, but you're just gonna fold it one here, and then you're gonna fold it one more time, just like so. And then, so from here, you guys, we're going to take our rubber bands and we're gonna place them at least 1/4 apart from the ends of the mask. So I'm gonna follow these lines right here. I'm gonna put my rubber bands right over here in between. We got one here. It doesn't have to be perfect just yet. And another one here. And then what you're gonna do next is from here, it looks like a little candy wrapper. So you're gonna fold these 2 ends here. And then what you're gonna try to do is to take one of the ends of the bandana or your fabric, and you're gonna just tuck it in. It doesn't matter which side to tuck it in with, but you're just gonna tuck it in a little bit and make sure it's secure. Okay guys, so this is my mask right now. I just tucked the ends of the mask into each other, and it doesn't matter which side you prefer. And I'm actually just going to stretch the rubber bands out before I place it on my face so that it stretches right behind my ears. I'm going to tuck my hair back really quick. And what you're going to do is basically put the rubber bands behind your ears, like so. There you go. And there you have it, you guys. Your own DIY homemade fabric mask. Nothing major to require besides 2 rubber bands and a piece of fabric that you prefer. But for me, it was my own bandana, or you can use a handkerchief if you want. In your own convenience, and you don't need to go out to the store and buy any mask. You could just make your own personalized one as you please. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I also wanted to mention that this week I've had the time to pull an all-nighter and watch the sunrise, and oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. And you know, with this quarantine, I haven't been able to go out. So I've had delivery foods being delivered to the house and stuff. So that was pretty convenient because, you know, you save more gas and time rather than like going out to pick it up and stuff. So I thought that was really great too. And I think we're gonna still continue to be doing that, especially on this quarantine, because you know, you never know. And I'd rather be safe than sorry. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this whole recap of my week. And I will go ahead and continue to enlighten and of course, you know, vlog every week as much as I can. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please show us some love, give us a like, and please subscribe to the National Student Exchange YouTube channel as well. But for now, I'm gonna say aloha, ahuiho, take care, stay safe, bye.